goes on forever. And I don't just mean our universe. If there's one universe, there's almost certainly more universes. So yeah, space goes on forever. That's pretty epic, right? Unless you have megalophobia, then it's your worst nightmare. Anyway, let's cut to the chase. I love space and I want to talk about it. So, time for space talk. Things that make up our solar system. Our solar system, it feels massive. And it is. But it is only the tiniest fraction of space. To us, tiny life forms, though, is everything. It consists of 8 planets, not including Pluto. If you're still mad about Pluto, please consider the fact that Russia has almost the same surface area. Anyway, it does not just consist of many planets, but also smaller objects, dwarf planets, and other things. At the middle of a planet is the thing that keeps us alive. The sun. It's the big bright thing in the sky that isn't very pleasant to look at. It keeps the earth warm. The surface temperature of the sun is around 5,505 degrees Celsius. And the core temperature is a whopping 15 million degrees Celsius. Now that would give us a good tan. However, along with emitting heat, the sun also emits radiation. But do not fret, we have the ozone layer to protect us from it. The ozone layer is the lower part of the Earth's stratosphere. It is made up of mostly ozone. It's around 10 parts per million ozone, while the rest of the Earth is 0.3 parts per million. So it's pretty epic. It is anywhere between 9 and 22 miles above Earth. It catches most of the sun's ultraviolet radiation, so you're safe. You may be wondering why Earth is the only habitable planet in our solar system at the moment. Well, that's because we are all in the middle of the Goldilocks zone, also known as the circumstellar habitable zone. It is the zone a certain bit away from the sun that is the most life-friendly. Earth is a smack dab in the middle of this, which makes it a good life like us. A good for a life like us. Mars is right outside the Goldilocks zone, which is why it is being closely searched and monitored for any old signs of life. The Moon. It is a planet's only natural satellite. You can see them at night, and some planets have multiple, like Jupiter. Jupiter has 79 moons. That's being a bit greedy, wouldn't you say? A planet's moon controls any of a planet's tides and waves. Waves no moon, no tide. The planet and its moon or moons are attached to each other like a magnet. Fun space facts. Neutron stars spin quickly at the rate of 600 rotations per second. Space is completely silent and has been to smell like barbecue. Almost 100% of our solar system's mass is the sun. More energy hits the Earth in an hour than humans use in a year. If two of the same metal touch each other in space, they will fuse to each other. One day on Venus is almost 1 year on Earth. The Great Red Spot is the solar system's biggest storm and is consistently happening on Jupiter. However, it is slowly shrinking. Venus and Mercury have no moons. Our solar system is 4.557 billion years old. The sun's mass is 330,000 times more than Earth. The people who land on the moon will possibly forever be in history, as there is no wind to wipe away their footprints. Earth is the only planet not named after a god. White holes exist in theory. As of now, we have not found one. You cannot enter from outside, but light and matter can escape from within. As the season of Uranus is equivalent to 21 Earth years. There are more stars in the sky than grains of sand on Earth. Outer space is only 62 miles away from Earth. In 2016, scientists discovered a radio signal from a source of 5 billion light years away. This means that Earth did not exist when the message started its journey. Using the naked eye, you can see up to 9 different galaxies from Earth. There are 3 shapes a galaxy can be: elliptical, spherical, and irregular. On Venus, it snows metal and rains sulfuric acid. Thanks for reading this. I really appreciate it. I will be writing more books on more subjects later in the future, so stay tuned. Okay then, bye guys. Hope you enjoyed this. And shout out to the person that wrote this book. I'm happy for him or her. Also, you can check out the game, which is called Tifo's Library. I'll show you how to type it in the description or pin a comment. So yeah, bye and stay tuned for more of these episodes. Let me do it now. Okay guys, so sorry for the audio. Yeah, so okay. Sorry for the audio again. Okay then. Bye and hope you enjoyed this.